Hi. The next accident I want to talk about is a rear-ending accident. This is the last example of rear-ending accidents. It happens at an intersection, and in this type of accident, traffic is stopped at a light that turns green, but the traffic can't go because there's a pedestrian in this crosswalk, or maybe in this crosswalk, making it impossible for this person to actually go. And they get rear-ended by a car behind them who can't see the pedestrian or is clueless and is more focused on the green light than the traffic ahead, and hits them. This wasn't particularly common, but and it rounds out all of the rear-ending collisions that happen at intersections and on the freeway. I'm calling this one accident type 6.
The light was red
Okay.
for traffic going this way.
Okay.
It was red. And so this was oncoming traffic. So by the time he entered on the green light, yeah. And then by the time he reached like here, the light had turned yellow and red.
Okay.
And so he just kept walking. We're all waiting. Everyone's waiting when the light turned green, except this lady.
Yep.
And I only had my car like 2 months, my brand new car, like 2 months. And all she did was look up, saw the green light, then went.
That's awful. Did this guy survive?
And this guy was like maybe here.
Yeah.
But thank God I had my foot on the brake.
Yeah.
So it didn't move my car forward.
Yeah, just smashed the hell out of it.
Yes.